The AI tools are multiplying. The clarity isn't. New coding agent drops every Tuesday. LLM pricing changes overnight. Self-hosting guides that are already outdated. And every vendor site tells you their tool is the one you need. SMF. Clearinghouse is different. We're an independent AI directory. No vendor bias, no marketing copy. Just tested facts, side-by-side comparisons, and deployment recipes that actually work. Compare 22 autonomous agents, from open-source command line tools to enterprise desktop assistants. Check LLM pricing and context windows before you commit. Find tested self-hosting recipes. Browse deployment guides that get you from zero to running in one sitting. And stay current with curated AI news updated throughout the day. Everything is community tested and editor verified. We don't sell tools, we map them. So you can find the right agent for your stack, the right model for your budget, and the right path for your team. Start with the getting started path. Or dive straight into the directory. Your call. SMF Clearinghouse. Because clarity is a competitive advantage,